In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is find your gallery app and tap on Agree at the bottom right corner. Then select Skip or Next if you wish to go through all of those informations. And finally decide if you wish to delete your photos from Photos or Albums section. Either way, hold one of them that you wish to delete. And to pick multiple right away, click on Select All icon. To keep some, tap on them, and to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!